All right, I want to get over to Greg Fields as we have talked about the hot temperatures that are here in North Texas, Greg. And again, just outdoors yesterday, I was reminded of being a kid growing up in Texas when you would just be so bored in the summertime because it's hot and you just want to be indoors.
Yeah, it really felt like summer yesterday, looked like summer. It was just kind of hazy out there. We came up with in 1 degree of that record high yesterday as we officially get up to 94. We're going to be in that neighborhood again today, and it's going to stay that way, it looks like, with the summer-like temperatures sticking around for a while longer. Let's get you on out here once again this morning. A warm 77 degrees as we look at downtown Dallas here early on, and those winds, they're going to be a little gusty out there for you as well, up over 20 miles per hour already here this morning. So we'll have the low clouds that are rolling into the area here this morning. As we look at the satellite radar composite, most of those are going to be east of I-35 here this morning. So kind of a mostly cloudy start. We'll have some clear skies, maybe a little farther west, at least for now. But any clouds around will start to give way to plenty of sunshine. Those winds already up, and they will stir around a little bit more once the sun comes up. Now, we're going to keep it quiet as well. Over the weekend, we had some very low wind, rain, and thunderstorm chances with that dry line activity that tried to get going. Didn't have really much success, and that will be the case, I think, today. And as we go through the week, it looks like the thunderstorm chances will get pushed a little farther west. Now, those temperatures, that's going to be the story for sure. Upper 90s across the Panhandle, triple-digit heat maybe for Abilene heading out towards San Angelo. So we're going to be in the 90s anywhere you go around the region over the next few days. Now, as far as any rain and thunderstorms are concerned, notice what happens not so much today, but as we head into tomorrow and Wednesday, we'll have those thunderstorms that get going across the Panhandle, across portions of West Texas. But as they try to work their way into North Texas, they will weaken. That gets repeated again on Wednesday, but I think that will be a little farther west on Wednesday, so we don't anticipate any of that making it into our area here over the next few days. In fact, as we look at that severe weather outlook going into Tuesday evening, you see that marginal risk approaching our western counties out toward Eastland there, up toward Archer City and Wichita Falls. But that's really going to be about it as far as any rain and storm activity is concerned. Here's the heat, though. Our normal highs as we go through the week, 81 to 83. We're going to be about 10 degrees or more warmer than that, close to those record highs as we go through the week, as we'll be looking at the low mid-90s. And for today, not only the heat, but the humidity is going to push that heat index, that feels like temperature, up maybe over 100 in many areas. So here's that 10-day forecast. You can see those temperatures stay in the 90s, very much feeling like summer. A little bit of relief maybe late in the weekend as those daytime highs take a dip perhaps early next week, but still we're talking highs right around 90.